Hello friends, hope you have subscribed to our channel and also checked out our courses available on our website www.letstudent.com. So let's start with today's session. Welcome to the problem solving session of the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Here we will learn to solve problem based on distance formula. As we already have an idea about the distance formula from the previous sessions, let's move on to this question as it says, name the type of quadrilateral formed by these 4 points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0. So before moving on any further, we need to understand some things from this question. Like what are quadrilaterals? We need to understand that. So let me write here quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are any shape with 4 sides. Okay, it's very clear. Quadrilaterals are any shape with 4 sides. Like for example, square. We all know square is having 4 sides. Rectangle also have 4 sides, correct, etc. Now when I'm talking about quadrilateral, let me say in general, let me draw this diagram. Okay, let us name this A, B, C and D. So this is called as quadrilateral ABCD. Here I want to remind you that the question which we are going to solve, that is to find the type of quadrilateral, is going to solve purely on the basis of distance formula. What do I mean by that? Because for finding the type of quadrilateral, there are many other methods in higher level mathematics. But here, since we are solving these questions based on only distance formula, we will find these lengths, length of AB, length of BC, length of CD and length of AD. Okay, let me write here AB, BC, CD and AD. These are the sides of the quadrilateral, and also the diagonals AC and BD. Let me write over here diagonal AC and diagonal BD. So we are going to solve these questions. I mean to find the type of quadrilateral. We will do that purely based on these lengths. Okay. At the end I'll give you some more tips to find different names of the quadrilateral based on these sides and diagonals. For now let's move on. Here we are given with 4 points and these 4 points are -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0. And these 4 points are forming a quadrilateral and we need to find the type of quadrilateral. Okay. So let us understand this scenario with a real life example. Let us say there are 4 friends. Let their names be A, B, C and D, and they are assigned a position. Like A is assigned with this position, I mean the position with this coordinate -1, -2, and B is assigned with the coordinates 1, 0, C is assigned with the coordinates -1, 2 and D is assigned with the coordinates -3, 0. Suppose they are placed something like this. I have drawn this rough diagram just to make you understand that they might be standing in this way. So to understand this more clearly, the positioning of these points, let's see by the graph. You can see that these 4 points are already plotted. Say this is -1, -2. Let me name this as A. This is 1, 0. Let me name this as B. -1, 2. Let me name this as C. And -3, 0. Let me name this as D. So I want to join these 4 points. Let me say as we are considering these 4 points as 4 friends, let us say these 4 friends are holding a rope in such a way that it becomes a quadrilateral along with the diagonals. So it will look something like this, correct? Now we can see that all the points are connected. So this diagram gives us the clear idea. So now what we have to do is, we have to find the distances of these four sides: AB, AD, CD and BC. As we already know the distance formula. What is the distance formula? I'll write over here. Here, suppose there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, and if you want the distance between them, the formula is x1 minus x2 the whole squared plus y1 minus y2 the whole squared. We are familiar with this formula. This is distance formula, correct? So what we'll do is, first of all, we'll find the length of the side BC. Sorry, length of the side AB. So let me write in this way, AB, or we can say the length as D1. That will be more convenient. For BC it is D2, for CD it is D3, and for AD it is D4. So AB is D1 as we discussed. So for that we need A and B here. Okay, let me write over here. We can see that still I am writing here. A is -1 comma -2. Okay. B is 1 comma 0. So we can take this as x1 and this as y1 and 1 as x2, 0 as y2, just to apply in the formula. So what this will become? Let us see. The calculation will be x1 is -1, x2 is 1 whole squared plus y1 is -2 minus y2 is 0 whole squared. So what this will be? -1 and -1. That will be -2 squared, -2 minus 0, that will again be -2 squared. So we will get -2 squared is 4 plus -2 squared is 4. So we are getting square root of 8, which can be further simplified as 2 root 2. So this is the length of D1, that means AB, 2 root 2. So similarly, I can solve for BC, CD and AD, which you can solve on your own. When I solved, I got same lengths, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 for D3 as well as 2 root 2 for D4. Now we also have to find the lengths of the diagonals. Okay, so let me say for the diagonal, let me write D1, capital D1. So AC is diagonal D1 and diagonal BD, let me say it as D2. Okay, using the same distance formula, I don't have to repeat it. You can refer the length of AB, how I calculated, you can find this. D1 will be 4 and D2 will be 4 units. So this is how we got all the lengths. So what we can understand here is, we got AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. That means all the four sides are equal. And not only that, we got diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. Even the lengths of the diagonals are equal. Correct? So from this we can say the given quadrilateral. Mathematically we write in this way, quadrilateral ABCD is what? Is a square. So that's it. That's it for this question. It's so easy. So now let me give you some tips and tricks to find the type of diagonal based on the lengths of the sides and the diagonals. Okay. Number 1. If the quadrilateral is square, if the quadrilateral is squared, as for this question we got square only, right? So ABCD, suppose this is the name of the quadrilateral, okay? These are the diagonal AC and BD. Suppose the quadrilateral is square. What will happen? You will get the lengths of AB, BC, CD and AD equal, okay? And diagonal BD will be equal to diagonal AC. I am talking about the lengths, okay? Suppose the diagonals are not equal. Let me write in different color just to differentiate. Suppose the sides are equal but the diagonals are not equal. So you can say that it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Tip number 2. Suppose the quadrilateral is a rectangle and the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD and we have diagonal AC and BD. Suppose it is a rectangle. Then the opposite sides will be equal. What do I mean by opposite sides? AB and CD are equal. AB and CD. And here AD and BC will be equal. AD will be equals to BC. And even the diagonals will be equal. Diagonal BD will be equals to diagonal AC. Okay. Now even here, what if diagonals are not equal? If diagonal BD is not equal to diagonal AC, then that will be parallelogram. Okay. What if none of the conditions are matched? Then that quadrilateral is some random quadrilateral. Okay. Let me write here. If none of them is matched, then it is a random quadrilateral, some type of quadrilateral, random quadrilateral. Okay. So that's it for today. Hope you have understood this problem solving session. We will be coming up with more such sessions, so stay tuned to us. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.